course. In a world where every pony is unique, some are bound to feel more special than others. But that isn't a license to be cruel, is it?
No, of course not.
Oh, isn't it a shame we don't live in a world where every pony is equal? No one would ever tease anyone there. Wouldn't that be nice?
Mm-hmm. Cutie marks make you special!
By putting you in a special little box!
Special!
Box!
Come on, Sweetie Belle. I think you remained calm long enough. Kettlecorn, you covered your cutie mark? I'm blank flank again, keeping my options open. I'm more than haikus. You just haikued right then!
Don't let them get in your head. You're an open-ended question. Blank flanks forever!
Blank flanks forever!